Revalidation will be really valuable simply because it's an inspiration. It's all about how you are as a nurse and midwife. It's all about looking at the code, using the code, and realising how applying that code to how you are as a nurse and midwife helps you to grow and develop.
The revalidation process for me is a way in which I can demonstrate that I am a safe practitioner and that I use the code in my everyday working life.
It was initially quite daunting, but then once I sat down and gathered the information, you started to realise that it wasn't something that was going to trip you up, and it was a fairly easy process if you followed the steps and the advice that the NMC gave you.
After I'd been through the process of revalidation, I felt much less anxious. In fact, quite positive. It was a positive experience for me. I felt I'd gained a fair degree of confidence going through the process. I had been worried that it was going to be very onerous. It certainly wasn't. And as I say, a very positive experience.
Initially, I would say my anxiety levels were up there, but as period went, it went down like that. And when we did some of the workshops with the staff, or I met with some of the staff, you tended to get that high level of anxiety, and then straight away it went right down.
I think, the first time you do it is likely to feel daunting, and then it makes you feel very, very different. One, about your registration, but also I think it makes you very thoughtful about your practice.
So the benefits for a midwife, or even a nurse for that matter, for revalidation, I think it helps you to focus more on the code. I think you do tend to use the code just a little bit more now.
I have to say, it's one of the most beneficial things that I have done in a long time, simply because, surprisingly, I can see it in patient care and delivery. I can see practitioners who are better skilled, who are more reflective, and that certainly does enhance patient care.
When I entered the revalidation process, obviously there was that fear, that trepidation of what is it I'm going to be asked to present and how am I going to be asked to present it. I think the help is all out there. It just means going to the NMC, going to your manager, going to your local advisor on revalidation and asking the questions. I think the biggest fear is from unanswered questions, and the answers are there. You've just got to go and ask.